Hello everyone, once again welcome to Curiosity Rocket. Today we are going to talk about Subhash Chandra Bose. Subhash Chandra Bose was an Indian freedom fighter and nationalist. He was a great patriot. He was one of the most prominent members of Azad Hind Fauj or Indian National Army who tried to take foreign help in order to get independence from British colonial rule. Subhash Chandra Bose suggested to give Britishers an ultimatum of 6 months for India's independence at INC session in Surat. He said that countrymen were at rage for freedom and mass revolution will lead to India's emancipation. He suggested that if they fail to do so, it will lead to a vast civil disobedience movement. But Gandhiji refused him on this opinion. Congress also denied with him as it didn't want to lose Gandhi's leadership. This made Bose to resign from his presidentship of Indian National Congress. He also went to Adolf Hitler for an alliance. He consulted with Nazi of Germany for India seeking independence. It seemed that he had gone with the phrase enemy's enemy is your friend. He also had a consent with Japan by Japanese Prime Minister Hideki Tojo, who agreed to give all possible support from Japan for India's freedom. His struggle for freedom is less praised. Such a great patriot is still in the hearts of every Indian. But there is still a mystery on his death. It is believed that Subhash Chandra Bose died in a plane crash on 18th August 1945 at Taiwan. However, it is said that the plane crash wasn't accidental. It is said that he was betrayed by his political enemies. However, it is also believed that he survived the plane crash. Since then, many appeals were made for a revised investigation. Another belief story is of Gumnami Baba. People believe that after surviving the air crash, he attained the identity of Gumnami Baba and lived in Faizabad, Uttar Pradesh. It is also believed that he escaped to Soviet Union after the plane crash. After the plane crash, he went to Japan for treatment. Japan also accepts that they have the ashes preserved in Renjoki temple. It is said that Netaji died in 1985 in the identity of Gumnami Baba in Faizabad. However, his death is still in dark enigma. Thank you. Happy Independence Day.